Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to type micrometer symbol in Word document. If you do a lot of technical writing, you can use Word's math shortcut feature to type it out by its quick name. For this you need to press the Alt plus equal sign. This is the Alt button, this is the equal button. You need to press Alt together to open up the equation editor box. And now put the backslash and type MU and press the space bar. It will instantly turn into the micro symbol. Then type M right after it to finish your micrometer symbol and click outside like this one. Moreover, there is another way. You need to type 0 0 B 5 and press Alt X Alt together. The text will transform instantly into micro symbol. Then type M next to it to join it. Another way is that you need to make sure your numlock is turned on and then hold down the left Alt key and type the 0181 on the numeric side keypad and release the Alt key to generate micro symbol and then type M right after it like this one. Moreover, you need to understand between micro sign and the Greek letter MU. So both are identical. So in Word you are accepted in the scientific writings. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.